In just 4 days, we have witnessed extraordinary courage, strength, initiative and sadness. We've seen coordination at a level unprecedented in any other recent maritime operation in Australia, in conditions that can present themselves at any time of the year in these latitudes, but which materialised at this time.
An Air Force Orion joining the already crowded skies of search planes. And then a breakthrough.
I'd say it's definitely everything. Yep, I agree.
A life raft with 4 crewmen on board was sighted.
There are 70 boats that have retired from this year's race. There are a total of 45 that are still racing. There have been 50 crew evacuated from 6 yachts, 42 by helicopters, both civilian, naval and police, 6 by the fishing trawler Josephine Jean and 2 by the HMAS Newcastle.
Roger, we confirm that we have within 30 minutes 1 rescue chopper, quickly followed by another, over. Roger, out to you.
There have been 2 man overboard searches, one for the crew member off Kingara who was successfully retrieved and one for the crew member from Sword of Orion who is still missing. There has been 1 life raft rescue where 6 of 9 members of the crew of Winston Churchill were recovered from 2 life rafts. There have been 6 yachts abandoned. They are Stand Aside, Mini Tinta, Sword of Orion, Business Post Naiad, Winston Churchill and Midnight Special. For the families of the British yachtsman Glyn Charles and crewmen of Sword of Orion, Bruce Guy and Phil Skeggs from Business Post Naiad, and the crewmen of Winston Churchill. We express our condolences and we share your loss.